And they come out as a mess. Oh, what? Where am I? Yeah. Oh, yay, your hair! What? Hello, I am Ploomette, the regular one. And, yep. I'm from Poland. It is the middle of the night. Or day, forget. I don't care. Where am I? You're in America now. And now, you live in America. Ugh. Birdie, why do you have ginormous wings? Oh. A hair. Oh. Yes, okay, so Twilight, how beautiful. Yes, how beautiful are you? Okay, no, it's freaky. Ploomette, I actually like your hair. They added a color in. Where's all the pink at? Oh, they took out the pink and replaced it with yellow. Sorry, that's okay. Okay, so there's glasses. Yay, I get new glasses. Woo! I forgot. It has this thing. Yeah. There's this crown. Very nice, Ploomette. Thanks. There's a My Little Pony pamphlet thingy that we'll read later. Because this will be too hard to open. I know this is very promising filming. You know, it's not. The ring. Beautiful ring. You come with beautiful stuff. Thanks. Twilight, a book. Yes, another yellow book. We lost ours somehow. Yay! It opens. Yes, okay, that was a very, very bad review on Ploomette and Twilight. We'll do a Ploomette comparison as soon as I get my Ploomette back. Goodbye. This is hilarious. Now, if you excuse me, I'm off to study. I gotta meet everybody. Can you introduce me? Yes, we're gonna be doing a series with you. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching Twilight Go Study. I